In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up and use Scan to Computer. We will use the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series as a demo.
If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe.
From the control panel, let's go to Scan. We'll select Scan to Computer. It is saying that to scan from the printer to our Windows computer, we must download and install the scanning software. So let's go back to the home screen. So from our computer, we have already installed the HP software. If you need help on that, please refer to the link as shown. So these are the items that has been installed on the desktop. So we'll select HP Scan Assistant. So we'll manage Scan to Computer. Scan to Computer is disabled. Let's enable that. Scan to Computer is enabled. Let's head back to the control panel of our printer. We'll go to Scan. Let's go to Scan to Computer. And you can see the Omen 2025, which is our computer that we have just enabled, is now appearing on the control panel of our printer. And these are the options that you can scan to computer. So this is how you set up and enable Scan to Computer for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series.